Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long range weather forecast discussion for February 6th to the 18th. A broad trough is forecast across the nation for February 6th to the 10th that will result in an active pattern, a moist southern jet across the south. The problem remains during this period is the interaction of the two streams. A system in the west is forecast to transport an area of precipitation to the Great Basin late in the week. Later rainfall will be likely over parts of California. This area has been under a severe drought for a long time, and they finally might get some much needed rain. The moisture is forecast to spread into the plains, with an area of deeper moisture that will lift northeast from the Gulf, producing a wintry mix over the east. Mid to late in the period, areas of the west coast could see heavy rainfall. Temperatures are expected to be below normal over portions of the plains in the Mississippi Valley. So now we're looking at the period for February 9th to 13th, and all the models are in agreement where they show this is the 9th, and we're going to see this eventually, this ridge here disappear as we go into the long period where a broad trough covering much of the nation. And there are indications that this ridge here might build into the west or portion of the southwest. So all the models, this is the GFS for the 9th. This is the GFS ensembles, and this is the European ensemble, the European deterministics. This is the European ensembles, and this is the NAEFS. And you can watch as we go through time. Now we're here at the 11th. See, it starts to disappear. The 11th. The GFS ensembles. The GFS ensembles is the most aggressive here with this trough here. Then the other models were below normal temperatures across much of the nation. And then as we go to the end of the period, this is the 13th, you can see below normal heights across much of the nation, and we start seeing this ridge starting to build into portions of California and the southwest. And here is the GFS ensembles. Now the one indication is that the NAEFS that you can see here is forecasting below normal heights to the north and above normal heights to the south. That's the only model that's showing that. So within this period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for a large portion of the nation for precipitation. Look at this. This is a good sign. We've been seeing after weeks of below normal precipitation across California and the west. Precipitation might come to Northern California and the northwest above normal, and above normal precipitation for areas east of the Mississippi River, below normal precipitation for the southwest. Now, as we go further into the period, this is for February 4th to the 18th, and models depict little change in the circulation pattern for February 4th to the 14th. However, the NAEFS depicts heights across the southern U.S., above normal heights across the southern U.S., and below normal heights across the north. A strong ridge is forecast over eastern Siberia and a trough over Alaska. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this area, and for precipitation. I am forecasting above normal precipitation for the northwest and areas east of the Mississippi River, and below normal precipitation for the southwest again. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for February 6th to the 18th. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.